Good morning, everyone. Class 11, subject biology, chapter 15. Chapter 15, plant growth and development. Next, we have read about in previous class arithmetic growth and plant growth. And let's begin today. Geometric growth. Here, initial growth is slow and increase rapidly. Thereafter, every cell divide, the daughter cell grow and divide, and the granddaughter cells that result into exponential growth. Geometrical growth is common unicellular organism when growing in nutrient-rich medium. Showing this the figure. Geometric look like a pyramid जैसे हैं and साइज वेट ऑफ द ओरिजिन की साइज और वेट को हम देखते हैं एंड टाइम लैग फेज एक्सपोनेंशियल फेज एंड स्टेशनरी फेज सिग्मोइड ग्रोथ ये जो होती है ये क्या होती है कर्व कंसिस्ट ऑफ फास्ट डिवाइडिंग एक्सपोनेंशियल फेज एंड स्टेशनरी फेज देखिए It is typical of most living organisms in their natural environment. Exponential growth represented by W1, W0 ERT, W1 final size, W0 initial size, R growth rate, T time of growth, and E is base of natural logarithm. जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 2.71828. Quantitative comparisons between the growth of living system can be made by absolute rate measurements and comparisons of total growth per unit time is called absolute rate. Next, conditions for growth. Enzymatic conditions. Necessary conditions for growth include water, oxygen, essential elements. Water is required for the cell enlargement and maintaining turgidity. Water also provide medium for enzymatic conditions. Protoplasm formations require water and micro and macronutrients and act as source of energy. Optimal temperature and other environmental conditions are also essential for growth of the plant. Cells produced by apical meristem become specialized to perform specific function. This act of maturation is called differentiation. Dedifferentiations. The living differentiated cells that have lost ability of divisions can regain the capacity of division. It is called dedifferentiations. For example, interfascicular cambium and core cambium. Differentiated cells mature and lose the capacity of cell division again to perform specific functions. This process is called redifferentiation. Development sequence of events that occur life history of cell organism which include seed germinations, growth, differentiations, maturations, flowering, seed formations, and senescence. Cell divisions, meristematic cells, plasmatic growth and meristematic cells. Plasmatic से ये dedifferentiations and death, senses, mature cell to senses and expansions यानी elongations and maturations. Sequence of development process in plants. Next, structure develop in different phases of growth as well as response to environment, ability change, the influence of internal external stimuli. It is called plasticity. Heterophyly in cotton plant example of plasticity. Plasticity is example. Cotton plant growth regulators are simple molecules deserve chemical compositions which indole compound adenine derivatives of carotenoids. Auxins was isolated by F.W. Wendt from tip of calyoptiles of oat seedling and Bacane disease of rice seedling is caused by fungal pathogen Gibberella Fujikuri. E. Kurosawa found that this disease is caused due to presence of gibberellin. Skoog and Miller identified and crystallized the cytokinesis promoting active substance called kinetin. Thank you. Thank you, class.